Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the Nothing Ear A. It's a pretty simple box, but I do enjoy the experience of unboxing Nothing devices. One thing I do like is it has a little hang tag, but I'm not sure where to buy these in stores. On the front, left, right, and bottom of the box is a picture of the Nothing Ear in the color that you choose, which I chose the yellow one. The earbud is not embossed on here, which I wish that it was, but it's not. Either way, on the back it says Nothing Ear A. Then it has the EAN serial number and date that it was manufactured, and all the other information about the model number and SKU and so on. But we're going to open it up with this little pull tab, and it just slides out like this. There's a little Nothing X app thing, so then you can scan that and go into the app, and that's pretty much it. There's this little piece that you can push out, and it has these little spacers in there. One with USB-C to USB-C charger, and then the other with extra tips that kind of slides out like this. For the small and large, obviously the medium are going to be on the buds. The cable is super short, but it is cool that it says Nothing on here. And then on the bottom, it just has like a little instruction manual. That's pretty standard stuff. But let's put this back and let's take the buds actually out. So here are the buds in this very scratchable and very lint capable case. There's a little writing on there, but generally it has to hit the right light or else you won't really notice it too much. It is USB-C, there's no wireless charging, but yeah, let's see the buds. I personally have never seen Nothing earbuds in person, so these are actually really nice. I love the clear aesthetic, and I like how the glue, if there is really any, isn't that noticeable. You can see the inside of everything, little contact points. It looks pretty cool. It doesn't look bad. It is weird that it's only on the stem though. I would think that it would be on the earbud, but I guess not. That'd be way too much glue. And these pieces are removable. You can actually see the M on the side, and they have like these little hooks that hold them in place. There's a mesh on the buds, but not so much on the ear tips, so dust and dirt would get stuck on the buds, which is not fun. The AirPod style is definitely a little bit better. Also, these things, they have to like fit perfectly in here to clip in. Definitely going to be something you have to get used to. I don't know why I found it difficult to do. But we're going to set it up in the app, and it's going to have me download the app and go through and everything. There's a bunch of different options on here that I'm going to talk about in the review. But yeah, you can change the equalizer, you can change the bass, you can change a bunch of stuff. You can use preset EQ. And then if we go in the settings, we can see that there's a software update. You can do in-ear detection, low lag mode, high quality audio, which is the LDAC, dual connection, ear tip test, find my earbuds, which that's just, you know, if they're paired, you'll be able to find them. You won't actually be able to see like on a map or anything. But yeah, playing music is pretty good, and this is kind of what the earbuds look like in ear. You can't really see too much, but I'll show you more in the review video. But yeah, that's just kind of the unboxing of this and just showing off the case before it gets a bunch of scratches, because it does. I think it already has some scratches right now, but it gets more for the review. One thing I like that's not specific for this, but I do like how it shows up in your like notification settings, and it has the picture of everything, the buds and the case. Really nice attention to detail, and it's not just like some stock image. But either way, that's the unboxing for the Nothing Ear 1. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and hopefully I'll get to them in the review. And as always, thanks for watching.